But I just got promoted.
But I just got promoted.
하지만 나는 막 승진을 했다.
But I knew your husband.
But I knew your husband.
하지만 나는 내 남편을 알고 있었다.
But I know it's him.
But I know it's him.
하지만 나는 그라는 것을 알아챘어.
But I like her voice.
But I like her voice.
그러나 저는 그녀의 목소리를 좋아합니다.
But I like it here.
But I like it here.
여기 있고 싶은데.
But I like shepherd's pie.
But I like shepherd's pie.
하지만 저는 shepherd 파이가 좋아요.
But I love butterflies.
But I love butterflies.
하지만 나비는 너무 좋아.
But I love swing music.
But I love swing music.
하지만 난 스윙 음악을 좋아해.
But I love you.
But I love you.
하지만 난 널 사랑해.
But I loved my brother.
But I love my brother.
그러나 나는 남동생을 사랑했다.
But I made cards.
But I made cards.
카드 만들었단 말야.
But I made it work.
But I made it work.
그래도 해냈어.
But I managed somehow.
But I managed somehow.
그렇지만 해냈습니다.
But I mean, why?
But I mean, why?
그러니까 왜요?
But I must be honest.
But I must be honest.
하지만 사실대로 얘기를 해야겠군요.
But I need a favor.
But I need a favor.
부탁이 있어?
But I never cried.
But I never cried.
하지만 난 절대 울지 않았다.
But I patiently study English.
But I patiently study English.
하지만 나는 끈기 있게 영어를 학습한다.
But I really like it.
But I really like it.
그래도 정말 마음에 들어.
But I really loved her.
But I really loved her.
그래도 난 정말 사랑했어.
But I said no.
But I said no.
내가 싫다고 했어?
But I say no more.
But I say no more.
하지만 난 그만 말할래.
But I so didn't.
But I so didn't.
하지만 그게 아니야.
But I still do.
But I still do.
그래도 난 계속 그럴 거야.
But I still don't agree.
But I still don't agree.
하지만 난 여전히 동의하지 않는다.
But I swim sometimes.
But I swim sometimes.
그러나 나는 때때로 수영을 해.
But I told you.
But I told you.
하지만 당신한테 얘기했잖아요.
But I wanted it yesterday.
But I wanted it yesterday.
그렇지만 내가 그것을 어제 다 해달라고 그랬잖아요.
But I was by myself.
But I was by myself.
하지만 혼자였어요.
But I wasn't entirely sure.
But I wasn't entirely sure.
근데 나 완전히 확신은 못해.
But I will try.
But I will try.
하지만 노력할 겁니다.
But I won't do it.
But I won't do it.
그렇지만 난 하지 않을 거야.
But I won't do that.
But I won't do that.
하지만 하지 않겠습니다.
But I won't do this.
But I won't do this.
하지만 난 이걸 하지 않을 겁니다.
But I won't say anything.
But I won't say anything.
하지만 나는 아무 말도 하지 않을 것이다.
But I wouldn't hurt you.
But I wouldn't hurt you.
하지만 널 해치진 않을 게다.
But I. No, wait.
But I. No, wait.
하지만 잠깐 기다려.
But I'd be broken flat.
But I'd be broken flat.
그러면 정말 제가 버틸 힘이 없을 것 같아요.
But I'd nothing to fear.
But I'd nothing to fear.
하지만 저는 두려울 것이 없었어요.
But if.
But if.
그러나 만약,
But if he hasn't.
But if he hasn't.
하지만 만약 아니라면,
But I'll be home tomorrow.
But I'll be home tomorrow.
하지만 제가 내일은 집에 있을 겁니다.
But I'll be there anyway.
But I'll be there anyway.
하지만 어쨌든 전 갈 거예요.
But I'll do it.
But I'll do it.
하지만 내가 말할게.
But I'm being so unreasonable.
But I'm being so unreasonable.
내가 말도 안 되는 말을 하고 있는데도.
But I'm cool with that.
But I'm cool with that.
하지만 난 찬성이야.
But I'm free tomorrow night.
But I'm free tomorrow night.
하지만 나는 내일 밤에 한가해.
But I'm from Canada.
But I'm from Canada.
하지만 나는 캐나다에서 왔어.
But I'm her brother.
But I'm her brother.
하지만 난 그녀의 오빠야.
But I'm her daughter.
But I'm her daughter.
하지만 난 그녀의 딸입니다.
But I'm his brother.
But I'm his brother.
하지만 난 그의 형제입니다.
But I'm his only son.
But I'm his only son.
하지만 난 그의 유일한 아들이야.
But I'm his sworn brother.
But I'm his sworn brother.
하지만 난 그의 의형제야.
But I'm holding you responsible.
But I'm holding you responsible.
하지만 나는 내게 책임을 부여할 거다.
But I'm leaving on Thursday.
But I'm leaving on Thursday.
하지만 전 목요일에 떠나요.
But I'm leaving this job.
But I'm leaving this job.
하지만 난 이 일을 그만둘 거야.
But I'm not going today.
But I'm not going today.
하지만 나 오늘은 안 갈 거야.
But I'm not my father.
But I'm not my father.
하지만 난 아버지와 달라요.
But I'm not slender.
But I'm not slender.
저 그렇게 날씬하지가 않습니다. 여러분.
But I'm not so sure.
But I'm not so sure.
하지만 전 틀림없지 않아요.
But I'm not that fat.
But I'm not that fat.
하지만 비행기를 타지 못할 만큼 뚱뚱하지는 않아요.
But I'm not that way.
But I'm not that way.
근데 난 그렇게 하지 않어. 그렇게 생각하지 않어?
But I'm not you.
But I'm not you.
하지만 난 너와는 달라.
But I'm not.
But I'm not.
하지만 아니지.
But I'm out of practice.
But I'm out of practice.
하지만 실력이 다 녹슬었는데.
But I'm rather more sympathetic.
But I'm rather more sympathetic.
하지만 전 오히려 공감이 가요.
But I'm really full.
But I'm really full.
하지만 정말 배불러요.
But I'm rich and thin.
But I'm rich and thin.
그래도 돈 많이 벌었고 살도 뺐어.
But I'm sorry, no dice.
But I'm sorry, no dice.
죄송해요. 운이 없으시네요.
But I'm sorry, no dice.
But I'm sorry, no dice.
죄송해요. 운이 없으시네요.
But I'm telling you.
But I'm telling you.
하지만 진심으로 말하는데.
But I'm terrible at directions.
But I'm terrible at directions.
그런데 나 되게 길치예요.
But I'm the host.
But I'm the host.
그치만 전 호스트인데요.
But I'm thinking about it.
But I'm thinking about it.
하지만 나는 그것에 대해 생각 중이야.
But I'm totally weak mechanically.
But I'm totally weak mechanically.
하지만 저는 기계는 전혀 다룰 줄을 몰라서요.
But I'm working on it.
But I'm working on it.
하지만 나는 이것을 작업 중이에요.
But in an orderly fashion.
But in an orderly fashion.
그렇지만 차례는 지켜야지.
But in my experience.
But in my experience.
제 경험상에는
But in our time.
But in our time.
하지만 우리의 시간에
But in very different ways.
But in very different ways.
물론 종류가 다른 사랑이지.
But is it true?
But is it true?
하지만 과연 그것이 사실일까요?
But isn't it like that?
But isn't it like that?
근데 원래 그렇지 않아?
But it can't be done.
But it can't be done.
하지만 그건 있을 수 없는 일이야.
But it clearly rattled him.
But it clearly rattled him.
그러나 확실히 그것은 그를 떨게 만들었다.
But it costs more.
But it costs more.
하지만 돈이 더 많이 드는데요.
But it costs nothing.
But it costs nothing.
하지만 그것은 아무 비용이 들지 않아요.
But it did not.
But it did not.
그러나 그러지 않았습니다.
But it didn't give up.
But it didn't give up.
하지만 포기하지 않았죠.
But it didn't.
But it didn't.
그런데 아니었어.
But it doesn't end there.
But it doesn't end there.
하지만 거기서 끝이 아니다.
But it doesn't hurt anyone.
But it doesn't hurt anyone.
그렇지만 누군가를 다치게 하는 건 아니잖아.
But it doesn't hurt.
But it doesn't hurt.
그러나 다치게 하지 않아.
But it feels like.
But it feels like.
근데 어째 느낌이.
But it happens it's golf.
But it happens it's golf.
하지만 일은 벌어졌고 그것이 바로 골프의 묘미죠.
But it has been unsuccessful.
But it has been unsuccessful.
그리고 그것은 성공적이지 못했다.
But it hit a nerve.
But it hit a nerve.
그러나 그건 신경을 거슬리게 했어.
But it is crystal clear.
But it is crystal clear.
하지만 분명하죠.
But it is not so.
But it is not so.
근데 그게 그렇지 않아요.
But it is sometimes dangerous.
But it is sometimes dangerous.
그러나 때로는 위험합니다.
But it is.
But it is.
하지만 사실이에요.
But it kind of worked.
But it kind of worked.
근데 잘 된 것 같아.
But it kind of got erased.
But it kind of got erased.
그런데 지워졌어.
But it made him weak.
But it made him weak.
하지만 그것이 그를 약하게 만들었다.
But it makes me happy.
But it makes me happy.
하지만 나를 행복하게 만드는 거려.
But it might get better.
But it might get better.
그러나 점차 나아질 거야.
But it never panned out.
But it never panned out.
하지만 그건 절대 진행되지 않아.
But it provided lively footage.
But it provided lively footage.
그러나 그것은 살아있는 영화를 만들어 주었어요.
But it turns out.
But it turns out.
그런데 알고 보니까
But it was a surprise.
But it was a surprise.
깜짝 놀래켜주려고 했었어요.
But it was absolutely awful.
But it was absolutely awful.
하지만 이건 완전 끔찍해.
But it was actually fun.
But it was actually fun.
근데 실제로는 재밌었어.
But it was beautiful.
But it was beautiful.
하지만 아름다웠죠.
But it was crystal clear.
But it was crystal clear.
하지만 그것은 명확했다.
But it was no dice.
But it was no dice.
하지만 불행이었어요.
But it was no use.
But it was no use.
하지만 소용없었어요.
But it was so tacky.
But it was so tacky.
하지만 그건 너무 촌스러워.
But it won't bother me.
But it won't bother me.
하지만 괴로운 일은 아니야.
But it'll blow your mind.
But it'll blow your mind.
하지만 그것은 당신의 기분을 최고로 만들 것입니다.
But it'll cost a fortune.
But it'll cost a fortune.
하지만 아주 비쌀 텐데.
But it'll work out.
But it'll work out.
하지만 잘 풀릴 거예요.
But it's $2,000.
But it's $2,000.
하지만 이건 $2,000인 거려.
But it's a bit redundant.
But it's a bit redundant.
하지만 그건 조금 불필요해요.
But it's a relationship.
But it's a relationship.
하지만 그것은 관계라.
But it's all bull.
But it's all bull.
전부 헛소리라.
But it's already awfully close.
But it's already awfully close.
하지만 끔찍하게도 벌써 끝났어.
But it's an acquired taste.
But it's an acquired taste.
하지만 그것은 먹다 보면 좋아지는 맛이에요.
But it's beautiful.
But it's beautiful.
하지만 아름답잖아.
But it's beyond my means.
But it's beyond my means.
하지만 그건 내분에 넘쳐요.
But it's cursed.
But it's cursed.
하지만 저주받은 거야?
But it's dark out.
But it's dark out.
밖이 이렇게 어두운데?
But it's done with confidence.
But it's done with confidence.
하지만 그것은 자신감을 갖고 한 일이다.
But it's due today.
But it's due today.
하지만 오늘까지 전달해야 해요.
But it's expensive, isn't it?
But it's expensive, isn't it?
하지만 비싸겠죠. 그렇지 않아요.
But it's hard work, too.
But it's hard work, too.
하지만 그것 역시 힘든 일이야.
But it's kind of purplish, right?
But it's kind of purplish, right?
그런데 약간 뭔가 보랏빛 있지 않아요?
But it's much too spicy.
But it's much too spicy.
하지만 훨씬 많이 매워요.
But it's my car.
But it's my car.
내 차라니까요.
But it's no guarantee.
But it's no guarantee.
하지만 그것은 장담할 수 없다.
But it's no use now.
But it's no use now.
하지만 이제 와서 소용없어.
But it's not always easy.
But it's not always easy.
하지만 항상 쉽지만은 않습니다.
But it's not as much.
But it's not as much.
그래도 프리웨이만큼은 아니라고.
But it's not bad.
But it's not bad.
하지만 나쁘지 않아요.
But it's not her fault.
But it's not her fault.
하지만 그녀의 잘못이 아니야.
But it's not my taste.
But it's not my taste.
그런데 그건 제 취향이 아니군요.
But it's not obvious why.
But it's not obvious why.
왜 그랬는지는 눈치채진 못하겠는데.
But it's not over yet.
But it's not over yet.
하지만 아직 끝난 것이 아니다.
But it's not so bad.
But it's not so bad.
하지만 그렇게 나쁘지 않지?
But it's not so good.
But it's not so good.
하지만 별로 좋지 않아요.
But it's not that cold.
But it's not that cold.
하지만 그다지 춥지는 않아.
But it's old-fashioned and crude.
But it's old-fashioned and crude.
하지만 그건 구식이고 조잡해.
But it's only circumstantial evidence.
But it's only circumstantial evidence.
그러나 그건 단지 정황 증거일 뿐이죠.
But it's only 10.
But it's only 10.
하지만 10시밖에 안 되는데요.
But it's rarely that simple.
But it's rarely that simple.
그러나 그것은 그렇게 간단하지 않다.
But it's really gonna hurt.
But it's really gonna hurt.
하지만 그것은 정말로 아플 것입니다.
But it's really moving.
But it's really moving.
하지만 이것은 정말로 가슴을 뭉클하게 합니다.
But it's really nice.
But it's really nice.
그렇지만 정말 좋아요.
But it's really way worse.
But it's really way worse.
하지만 그것은 정말로 더 나쁩니다.
But it's ruled out.
But it's ruled out.
하지만 그건 배제되었어요.
But it's scary out here.
But it's scary out here.
그래도 여기 무서워.
But it's so cheap.
But it's so cheap.
그치만 엄청 싸잖아.
But it's the same.
But it's the same.
하지만 똑같은데.
But it's tingling.
But it's tingling.
하지만 따끔거리는데.
But it's true, I swear.
But it's true, I swear.
하지만 맹세코 진실이에요.
But it's up to you.
But it's up to you.
그러나 당신에게 달려 있어요.
But it's worth it.
But it's worth it.
하지만 해 볼만은 해.
But it's wrong. You're married.
But it's wrong. You're married.
그렇지만 이러면 안 돼요. 그래도 결혼했잖아요.
But it's wrong.
But it's wrong.
하지만 어긋나는 것이라면.
But other parents do.
But other parents do.
하지만 자녀들을 사설학원에 보내고 싶어하는 부모들도 있다.
But she hates table tennis.
But she hates table tennis.
그러나 그녀는 탁구를 싫어한다.
But summer's so far away.
But summer's so far away.
그런데 여름 되려면 너무 멀었어.
But supposing he sees us?
But supposing he sees us?
하지만 만약 그가 우리를 본다면 어쩌지?
But the calculator survived.
But the calculator survived.
하지만 이 계산기는 부서지지 않고 그대로 있었다.
But they have famous fathers.
But they have famous fathers.
하지만 그들은 유명한 아빠가 있단다.
But they have sharp claws.
But they have sharp claws.
하지만 그들은 날카로운 발톱을 가지고 있지요.
But they left telltale traces.
But they left telltale traces.
그러나 그들은 숨길 수 없는 흔적을 남겼습니다.
But they like it.
But they like it.
하지만 사람들이 좋아하잖아.
But those are stowed away.
But those are stowed away.
하지만 그들은 짐을 싣고 떠나갔다.
But I've changed my mind.
But I've changed my mind.
근데 마음이 바뀌었어?
But Joan loved Chachi.
But Joan loved Chachi.
하지만 조에는 채치를 사랑했다고.
But Joey did.
But Joey did.
하지만 조이는 했어?
But just a little one.
But just a little one.
난 쬐끔한 거야.
But just throw it out.
But just throw it out.
하지만 그냥 버려라.
But kind of spectacular.
But kind of spectacular.
아주 화려했죠?
But let that pass.
But let that pass.
그러나 그 점은 눈 감아주자.
But let's acknowledge a drawback.
But let's acknowledge a drawback.
하지만 결점을 인정하자.
But let's begin with alliteration.
But let's begin with alliteration.
두 운으로 시작하겠습니다.
But let's face it.
But let's face it.
그러나 우선 현실을 직시할 필요가 있습니다.
But long delays were inevitable.
But long delays were inevitable.
하지만 오랜 지체는 불가피했습니다.
But look at him closely.
But look at him closely.
그런데 그를 자세히 보세요.
But maybe he doesn't know.
But maybe he doesn't know.
허나 그는 잘 모를 겁니다.
But me no buts.
But me no buts.
그러나 하고 자꾸 변명하지 말게.
But Michelle we doesn't care.
But Michelle we doesn't care.
그러나 미실 위는 상관하지 않는다.
But mind your own business.
But mind your own business.
하지만 남의 일에 참견하지 마십시오.
But mom.
But mom.
하지만 엄마.
But mom, school is boring.
But mom, school is boring.
하지만 엄마, 학교는 지겨워요.
But mom.
But mom.
하지만 엄마.
But Mona, I live here.
But Mona, I live here.
하지만 모나, 난 여기 산다고.
But money is not everything.
But money is not everything.
하지만 돈이 전부가 아닙니다.
But most kids love winter.
But most kids love winter.
하지만 대부분의 어린이들은 겨울을 좋아해요.
But my apartment.
But my apartment.
내 아파트는?
But my brother learned it.
But my brother learned it.
하지만 우리 동생은 그것을 배웠다.
But my clothes are out.
But my clothes are O.
그치만 내 옷은? 오.
But my mother remarried.
But my mother remarried.
하지만 엄마는 재혼을 하셨죠.
But my point is.
But my point is.
하지만 내 말의 요지는?
But my tongue was hotter.
But my tongue was hotter.
하지만 내 혀는 더 뜨거웠지.
But my wife is pregnant.
But my wife is pregnant.
하지만 내 아내는 임신 중이었다.
But neither did you.
But neither did you.
너도 마찬가지잖아.
But neither is giving one.
But neither is giving one.
하지만 뇌물을 주는 것 또한 비윤리적이다.
But no credible lead surfaced.
But no credible leads surfaced.
그러나 믿을 만한 단서들이 없었다.
But no one answered.
But no one answered.
하지만 아무도 대답하지 않았어.
But no one complains.
But no one complains.
근데 아무도 뭐라 안 해요.
But no one might watch.
But no one might watch.
그런데 아무도 안 보시네.
But no one's here.
But no one's here.
아무도 보이질 않고.
But no one's home.
But no one's home.
근데 숙소에 아무도 없다.
But no.
But no.
하지만 안 돼.
But nobody helps him.
But nobody helps him.
하지만 아무도 그를 도와주지 않아요.
But nobody knew.
But nobody knew.
근데 아무도 모르더라고요.
But nobody went out.
But nobody went out.
왜 아무도 안 나와?
But no.
But knew.
하지만 천만에.
But not at full grown.
But not at full grown.
하지만 풀그론에서는 그렇지 않습니다.
But not everyone likes them.
But not everyone likes them.
그러나 모든 사람이 그것을 좋아하는 것은 아니다.
But not expedited deportation.
But not expedited deportation.
즉시 추방 대상은 아니죠.
But not handsomely enough.
But not handsomely enough.
하지만 충분히 후하진 않지.
But not that day.
But not that day.
그러나 그날은 아니었다.
But not this time.
But not this time.
그러나 이번은 아니었다.
But not video.
But not video.
동영상 촬영은 금지가 되어 있습니다.
But nothing good lasts forever.
But nothing good lasts forever.
하지만 아무짝에도 쓸모없는 것들이 오래가는 법이다.
But nothing happened.
But nothing happened.
하지만 아무 일도 일어나지 않았다.
But nothing has.
But nothing has.
그런데 아무 일도 없었어.
But nothing is impossible.
But nothing is impossible.
그러나 불가능한 일은 없다. 라고 말했다.
But nothing lasts forever.
But nothing lasts forever.
그러나 영원한 것이란 없다.
But nothing tops celebrity relationships.
But nothing tops celebrity relationships.
그러나 연예인 간의 열애설만큼 큰 화제를 끄는 것은 없다.
But nothing was resolved.
But nothing was resolved.
하지만 아무것도 해결되지 않았잖아요.
But now everyone is surprised.
But now everyone is surprised.
하지만 이제 모두가 깜짝 놀라고 있습니다.
But now he's all excited.
But now he's all excited.
하지만 지금 그는 아주 신이 나 있어요.
But now I give up.
But now I give up.
하지만 난 이제 포기했어.
But now see you're crying.
But now see you're crying.
하지만 너 울잖아.
But now that it's real.
But now that it's real.
이제 사실이니
But now you've ruined it.
But now you've ruined it.
니들 때문에 다 망쳤잖아.
But now he has stopped.
But now he has stopped.
하지만 지금은 이용을 중단한 상태이다.
But now rival Microsoft Corp.
But now, rival Microsoft Corp.
그러나 이제 라이벌인 마이크로소프트가 그 시장의 일부를 장악하려고 한다.
But nowadays, things have changed.
But nowadays, things have changed.
그러나 요즘은 추세가 많이 바뀌었다.
But oh well. Yay!
But oh well. Yay.
그래도 뭐, 예.
But on the other hand.
But on the other hand.
다른 한편으로는
But once you find it.
But once you find it.
하지만 일단 그런 사람을 찾고 나면
But one more bite.
But one more bite.
그래도 한 입 더.
But one of them pours.
But one of them pours.
한 명이 부먹이야.
But one side is heavier.
But one side is heavier.
근데 한쪽이 더 무겁네.
But one thing bothered me.
But one thing bothered me.
하지만 한 가지 거슬리는 게 있었어.
But only with me.
But only with me.
하지만 나와 있을 때만요.
But our script is good.
But our script is good.
하지만 우리의 대본은 훌륭합니다.
But our voices were included.
But our voices were included.
동영상에 목소리가 들어가잖아요.
But out.
But out.
가서 내 일이나 잘해.
But outsiders often stumble.
But outsiders often stumble.
그러나 소외된 사람들은 종종 비틀거린다.
But owning everything isn't everything.
But owning everything isn't everything.
하지만 모든 것을 소유하는 것이 다가 아니다.
But people say anything.
But people say anything.
하지만 사람들은 뭐든 말한다.
But preferred studying species.
But preferred studying species.
하지만 종에 관한 공부를 더 좋아했다.
But public opinion is divided.
But public opinion is divided.
하지만 여론은 분열되어 있다.
But pure curiosity.
But pure curiosity.
그냥 궁금해서요.
But Rachel has an apartment.
But Rachel has an apartment.
레이첼은 벌써 집이 있잖아.
But recently he fell ill.
But recently he fell ill.
그러나 최근 들어 건강이 나빠졌다.
But remember always.
But remember always.
하지만 항상 기억해.
But Rose supporters hit back.
But Rose supporters hit back.
지금 당장 나를 위해 기도해줘.
But she brought somebody else.
But she brought somebody else.
하지만 다른 동행이 있다네요.
But she never finished them.
But she never finished them.
하지만 그녀는 결코 이것들을 완성하지 못했다.
But she was already overloaded.
But she was already overloaded.
그렇지만 그녀는 벌써 과부하 상태이다.
But she's a first timer.
But she's a first timer.
그러나 그녀는 초보자이다.
But she's avoided the limelight.
But she's avoided the limelight.
그러나 그녀는 세간의 이목을 피하게 되었다.
But she's not always right.
But she's not always right.
그러나 그녀는 항상 옳지 않다.
But she's up to something.
But she's up to something.
하지만 그녀에겐 속셈이 있다.
But should volunteering be?
But should volunteering be?
그러나 자원봉사가 그래야만 할까요?
But shucks, it's no use.
But shucks, it's no use.
하지만 이런 도무지 쓸모가 없어.
But so did I.
But so did I.
하지만 나도 그렇게 되었잖아.
But so did L.
But so did L.
하지만 나도 그랬어.
But so do L.
But so do L.
하지만 나도 마찬가지야.
But some actors are short.
But some actors are short.
하지만 어떤 배우들은 키가 작습니다.
But something went wrong.
But something went wrong.
하지만 아무도 예측하지 못한 변수가 나타났다.
But sometimes it happens.
But sometimes it happens.
그러나 가끔 그런 일은 일어납니다.
But sometimes they attack people.
But sometimes they attack people.
하지만 가끔 그들은 사람들을 공격합니다.
But sometimes it happens.
But sometimes it happens.
근데 가끔 그럴 때 있지 않아요.
But soon, nothing was fun.
But soon, nothing was fun.
하지만 곧 아무것도 재미가 없어졌죠.
But spring is finally here.
But spring is finally here.
하지만 드디어 봄이 왔다.
But stay away from him.
But stay away from him.
하지만 그에게서 떨어져.
But still I didn't answer.
But still I didn't answer.
그러나 아직 나는 답을 하지 않았다.
But still.
But still.
그래도.
But still. Real fun.
But still. Real fun.
그래도. 정말 재밌었어.
But surely.
But surely.
그러나 확실히.
But take a closer look.
But take a closer look.
하지만 한 번 더 자세히 살펴보자.
But thanks.
But thanks.
하여간 고마워.
But that also says.
But that also says.
그러면서 동시에.
But that doesn't happen anymore.
But that doesn't happen anymore.
그러나 이제 아무도 나를 비웃지 않는다.
But that doesn't matter now.
But that doesn't matter now.
하지만 그건 지금은 상관없어.
But that happens every day.
But that happens every day.
그거야 늘 있는 일 아니야?
But that is overall.
But that is overall.
하지만 그것을 전체가 아니야.
But that wasn't deliberate.
But that wasn't deliberate.
하지만 일부러 그런 분위기를 낸 것은 아니에요.
But that would be facetious.
But that would be facetious.
하지만 그것은 경박한 행동일 것이다.
But that would have been wrong.
But that would have been wrong.
하지만 그건 서로에게 잘못된 거예요.
But that you too.
But that you too.
그런데 너희들이
But that's about it.
But that's about it.
하지만 그게 다예요.
But that's all over now.
But that's all over now.
하지만 그건 이제 모두 끝났어.
But that's changing rapidly too.
But that's changing rapidly too.
하지만 그건 역시 빠르게 변하고 있다.
But that's Halloween.
But that's Halloween.
그날은 할로윈이잖아.
But that's how we worked.
But that's how we worked.
하지만 그것이 우리가 일했던 방식이에요.
But that's just my opinion.
But that's just my opinion.
하지만 그건 단지 내 의견일 뿐이다.
But that's life, isn't it?
But that's life, isn't it?
그렇지만 사는 것이 다 그런 거 아니에요?
But that's no excuse.
But that's no excuse.
하지만 그것이 변명이 될 수는 없습니다.
But that's not always bad.
But that's not always bad.
하지만 그게 항상 나쁜 건 아니야.
But that's not enough.
But that's not enough.
하지만 그거 가지고는 부족하지. 그래서
But that's not possible.
But that's not possible.
그렇지만 그건 가능하지가 않아.
But that's not quite right.
But that's not quite right.
하지만 그것은 옳지 않다.
But that's not the point.
But that's not the point.
하지만 그게 요점은 아닙니다.
But that's not very obvious.
But that's not very obvious.
하지만 그건 별로 대번에 알 수는 없잖아.
But that's still no guarantee.
But that's still no guarantee.
하지만 그건 아직 장담할 수 없다.
But that's the coach's tactic.
But that's the coach's tactic.
근데 그게 감독의 작전이야.
But that's too far.
But that's too far.
하지만 거긴 너무 멀잖아요.
But that's what.
But that's what.
하지만
But that's your father.
But that's your father.
그러나 그는 너의 아버지야.
But that's your wedding ring.
But that's your wedding ring.
하지만 그것은 너의 결혼 반지다.
But that's yours.
But that's yours.
그건 내 거잖아.
But the course isn't finished.
But the course isn't finished.
그러나 그 과정은 마무리되지 않았다.
But the destination isn't clear.
But the destination isn't clear.
하지만 종착역은 그다지 분명하지 않다.
But the important thing.
But the important thing.
그런데 중요한 건
But the memory lives on.
But the memory lives on.
하지만 추억은 아직 살아 있어요.
But the mess.
But the mess.
이 난리는
But the monks are armed.
But the monks are armed.
그런데 수사들이 무장했어요.
But the mower is broken.
But the mower is broken.
하지만 잔디 깎는 기계가 망가졌어요.
But the peace process stalled.
But the peace process stalled.
그러나 그 평화 정착 절차가 지연되었다.
But the person ran away.
But the person ran away.
그런데 그 사람은 도망을 갔어.
But the picture isn't finished.
But the picture isn't finished.
그러나 그 그림은 마무리되지 않았다.
But the question isn't relevant.
But the question isn't relevant.
그러나 그 질문은 관계가 없다.
But the system is cumbersome.
But the system is cumbersome.
하지만 그 제도는 복잡하다.
But the thing is.
But the thing is.
근데 말이죠.
But the thing is.
But the thing is.
그런데 말이지.
But the tone is nasty.
But the tone is nasty.
하지만 말투가 앙칼지군요.
But the trip wasn't easy.
But the trip wasn't easy.
하지만 여행은 쉽지 않았다.
But the world wanted flair.
But the world wanted flair.
하지만 세계는 재능을 원했다.
But then he died.
But then he died.
그러더니 죽어버렸어요.
But then something terrible happened.
But then something terrible happened.
그러나 끔찍한 일이 생겼다.
But then things went wrong.
But then things went wrong.
그러나 그 다음부터 일이 어긋나 버렸다.
But then you go, okay?
But then you go, okay?
하지만 그럼 네가 가면 돼. 알겠지?
But there is one condition.
But there is one condition.
대신 조건이 있어요.
But there it is.
But there it is.
그렇지만 사실이죠.
But there was a problem.
But there was a problem.
그런데 문제가 있었어.
But there was no flash.
But there was no flash.
그렇지만 플래시가 안 터졌는데요.
But there's already proof.
But there's already proof.
그렇지만 이미 증명된 사실이에요.
But there's more to do.
But there's more to do.
하지만 아직 할 게 남았어.
But there's no guarantee.
But there's no guarantee.
하지만 아무것도 보장은 없다.
But there's no other indication.
But there's no other indication.
하지만 다른 징후는 없습니다.
But there's something bothering me.
But there's something bothering me.
하지만 날 괴롭히고 있는 것이 있어?
But there's something missing.
But there's something missing.
하지만 빠진 것이 있어요.
But there's something more.
But there's something more.
하지만 고려해야 될 상황이 더 있어.
But these are trivial blemishes.
But these are trivial blemishes.
그러나 이것들은 사소한 결점이다.
But these feelings were remote.
But these feelings were remote.
그러나 이런 느낌은 멀리 떨어져 있는 것입니다.
But these people are serious.
But these people are serious.
그러나 이 사람들은 진지하다.
But these things happen.
But these things happen.
하지만 흔히 있는 일이잖아.
But they all failed.
But they all failed.
하지만 그들은 모두 실패했다.
But they almost do that.
But they almost do that.
하지만 그들은 그걸 거의 다 했어.
But they also have strengths.
But they also have strengths.
하지만 그들은 또한 강점들을 가지고 있다.
But they also looked ahead.
But they also looked ahead.
하지만 그들은 또한 미리 보았다.
But they're evocative.
But they are evocative.
그래도 한기점이 되는군요. 판단을 바꾸게 하는 생각이 들군요.
But they can get lost.
But they can get lost.
하지만 종종 잃어버리죠.
But they can touch you.
But they can touch you.
그들만 잔을 건드릴 수 있지?
But they completely ignore that.
But they completely ignore that.
그러나 그들은 그것을 완전히 무시한다.
But they do tantalize.
But they do tantalize.
하지만 그들은 미끼에 넘어올 겁니다.
But they don't always work.
But they don't always work.
하지만 항상 효과가 있는 것은 아니죠.
But they don't work well.
But they don't work well.
하지만 그것들은 잘 작동하지 않습니다.
But they face formidable obstacles.
But they face formidable obstacles.
그러나 그들은 엄청난 난관들을 맞닥뜨렸다.
But they mostly eat plants.
But they mostly eat plants.
하지만 대부분 식물을 먹어요.
But they rarely attack humans.
But they rarely attack humans.
하지만 그들은 드물게 인간을 공격합니다.
But they seem so complicated.
But they seem so complicated.
그런데 그게 너무 복잡해 보이는데요.
But they're already saying it.
But they're already saying it.
근데 이미 다들 얘기하고 있어?
But they're both so great.
But they're both so great.
둘 다 너무 좋은데?
But they're courtside seats.
But they're courtside seats.
하지만 코트사이드 티켓들이라니까.
But they're engaged.
But they're engaged.
하지만 그들은 약혼을 했어.
But they're finally over.
But they're finally over.
하지만 드디어 시험이 끝났어.
But they're nice guys.
But they're nice guys.
그러나 그들은 좋은 사람들이에요.
But they're not economical.
But they're not economical.
그런데 돈이 많이 들죠.
But they're not really comparable.
But they're not really comparable.
그러나 이 두 작품을 비교한다는 것은 사실 말이 안 되다.
But they're not.
But they're not.
그렇지만 사실이 아니잖아.
But they're passionate about acting.
But they're passionate about acting.
하지만 그들은 연기에 열정적입니다.
But they're very practical.
But they're very practical.
그러나 그것들은 아주 쓸모가 있어요.
But things are changing.
But things are changing.
하지만 이제 이런 상황이 바뀌고 있다.
But things are different now.
But things are different now.
하지만 지금과 그때는 많은 것이 변했다.
But this is not true.
But this is not true.
그런데 그게 아니었어.
But this is very wrong.
But this is very wrong.
하지만 이건 매우 잘못된 일이야.
But this isn't a bailout.
But this isn't a bailout.
하지만 이것은 긴급구제가 아니다.
But this isn't enough.
But this isn't enough.
하지만 이것으로 충분치 않다.
But this movie might be.
But this movie might be.
물론 다음에 소개하는 영화를 본다면 마음이 바뀌게 될지도 모르지만 말이다.
But this time I'm scared.
But this time I'm scared.
하지만 이때 나는 두려웠어요.
But to be realistic.
But to be realistic.
하지만 현실적으로 볼 때
But to no avail.
But to no avail.
그러나 성과는 없었다.
But to what?
But to what?
그러면 무엇을 하기 위해서요?
But today is Saturday.
But today is Saturday.
하지만 오늘은 토요일입니다.
But today is Sunday.
But today is Sunday.
하지만 오늘은 일요일이다.
But tteokbokki sounds interesting.
But tteokbokki sounds interesting.
그런데 떡볶이는 먹어보고 싶어.
But try slicing one anyway.
But try slicing one anyway.
그렇지만 어쨌든 하나를 잘라보아라.
But 2 points are inescapable.
But 2 points are inescapable.
그러나 두 가지 점은 무시할 수 없다.
But here's an idea.
But here's an idea.
좋은 생각이 있어?
But unfortunately I have to.
But unfortunately I have to.
불행히도 난 지금 가야 돼.
But watching you stand alone.
But watching you stand alone.
하지만 홀로 서 있는 당신을 보면
But we are always fighting.
But we are always fighting.
하지만 우린 항상 싸우잖아요.
But we are best friends.
But we are best friends.
하지만 우린 제일 친한 친구들이죠.
But we are very different.
But we are very different.
하지만 우린 아주 달라요.
But we broke up.
But we broke up.
그런데 헤어졌어요. 그래요?
But we can't have her.
But we can't have her.
하지만 우린 그녀를 가질 수 없어.
But we do have Chi-Chis.
But we do have Chi-Chis.
하지만 치치는 있어요.
But we do have Hector.
But we do have Hector.
하지만 헥터가 있잖아.
But we don't do that.
But we don't do that.
우리 이러면 안 되지 않아?
But we don't do that.
But we don't do that.
우리 안 하잖아.
But we have to.
But we have to.
우린 해야만 해.
But we hit it off.
But we hit it off.
하지만 우리는 잘 맞아요.
But we just got married.
But we just got married.
하지만 우리는 이제 막 결혼했어요.
But we pushed through it.
But we pushed through it.
하지만 우리는 해냈어요.
But we should get going.
But we should get going.
하지만 우리는 가봐야 한다.
But we should move quick.
But we should move quick.
근데 빨리 가져가야 돼.
But we should take it.
But we should take it.
우리가 가져가야지.
But we won't say anything.
But we won't say anything.
하지만 우리는 아무 말도 하지 않을 것이다.
But we would be wrong.
But we would be wrong.
하지만 우리가 잘못 낼 수도 있다.
But we'd better hold off.
But we'd better hold off.
그러나 저희들은 가까이 오지 못하도록 막아야 해요.
But we'll know soon enough.
But we'll know soon enough.
그러나 우리는 곧 충분히 알게 될 겁니다.
But we're all great friends.
But we're all great friends.
그래도 우린 좋은 친구예요.
But we're fine. Absolutely.
But we're fine. Absolutely.
하지만 우린 괜찮아요. 그러며.
But we're not anymore.
But we're not anymore.
그러나 이제는 아니에요.
But weren't they very rough?
But weren't they very rough?
하지만 그들이 아주 거칠지 않던가요?
But what about a chick?
But what about a chick?
하지만 병아리는 어때요?
But what about animals?
But what about animals?
하지만 동물들은 어떨까요?
But what about anxious laughter?
But what about anxious laughter?
그렇다면 안절부절 못하며 웃는 경우는 어떨까요?
But what are the symptoms?
But what are the symptoms?
그렇다면 그 증상은 무엇일까?
But what can you do?
But what can you do?
하지만 어쩌겠어?
But what could he say?
But what could he say?
그러나 뭐라고 말해야 하는가?
But what could I do?
But what could I do?
하지만 내가 무엇을 할 수 있겠어?
But what happened to you?
But what happened to you?
감사합니다.
But what if it rains?
But what if it rains?
하지만 만약 비가 오면 어떻게 되나요?
But what if?
But what if?
하지만 만약에,
But what is a cold?
But what is a cold?
하지만 감기란 무엇인가요?
But what is confidence?
But what is confidence?
그렇다면 자신감이란 무엇일까요?
But what is money?
But what is money?
하지만 돈이란 무엇일까요?
But what is self-esteem?
But what is self-esteem?
하지만 자긍심이란 무엇일까요?
But what should I eat?
But what should I eat?
하지만 무엇을 먹어야 하지?
But what?
But what?
그런데요.
But what's the big hurry?
But what's the big hurry?
하지만 왜 그리 서두르세요?
But when I return?
But when I return?
하지만 내가 돌아올 때,
But where are they now?
But where are they now?
하지만 지금 그들은 어떻습니까?
But where shall we go?
But where shall we go?
어디로 가죠?
But who can say that?
But who can say that?
그러나 누가 라고 말할 수 있는가?
But break this habit.
But break this habit.
하지만 이런 습관을 버리세요.
But by the way, Art,
But by the way, Art,
그나저나 미술 말입니다.
can I settle it later?
can I settle it later?
다음에 갚아드려도 됩니까? 외상.
Can I share the table?
Can I share the table?
동석해도 괜찮겠습니까?
Can I share your umbrella?
Can I share your umbrella?
우산 나눠 써도 될까요?
Can I show you?
Can I show you?
보여줘도 돼?
Can I sign the lease?
Can I sign the lease?
계약서에 서명하면 되나요?
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
여기에 앉아도 될까요?
Can I sit with you?
Can I sit with you?
동석해도 될까?
Can I sleep in tomorrow?
Can I sleep in tomorrow?
내일은 계속 자도 되죠?
Can I sleep over tonight?
Can I sleep over tonight?
내가 오늘 밤 너네 집에서 자도 되니?
Can I sleep over?
Can I sleep over?
자고 가도 돼요?
Can I smoke here?
Can I smoke here?
여기서 담배를 피울 수 있습니까?
Can I snack on something?
Can I snack on something?
간단히 먹을 게 있을까요?
Can I spare a cigarette?
Can I spare a cigarette?
담배 한 개 피 얻을 수 있을까요?
Can I speak to James?
Can I speak to James?
제임스와 통화할 수 있을까요?
Can I speak to Joe?
Can I speak to Joe?
조와 통화할 수 있을까요?
Can I speak to John?
Can I speak to John?
존 좀 바꿔주시겠습니까?
Can I speak to Minho?
Can I speak to Minho?
민호 좀 바꿔주세요.
Can I speak to Mincian?
Can I speak to Mincian?
민선이 좀 바꿔주시겠어요?
Can I squeeze in there?
Can I squeeze in there?
제가 여기 비집고 들어가도 될까요?
Can I squeeze in?
Can I squeeze in?
제가 밀어 넣어도 될까요?
Can I start over again?
Can I start over again?
내가 다시 시작할 수 있을까요?
Can I stay another night?
Can I stay another night?
하룻밤 더 묵을 수 있어요?
Can I stay over?
Can I stay over?
하룻밤 묵어도 되겠소?
Can I stay until noon?
Can I stay until noon?
정오까지 있어도 되나요?
Can I stay with you?
Can I stay with you?
옆에 있게 해주세요.
Can I steal your hat?
Can I steal your hat?
모자 훔쳐도 될까요?
Can I step in here?
Can I step in here?
내가 여기에 끼어들어도 되겠니?
Can I still buy tickets?
Can I still buy tickets?
아직 티켓 살 수 있습니까?
Can I still order breakfast?
Can I still order breakfast?
아직 아침 메뉴로 주문할 수 있습니까?
Can I still sign up?
Can I still sign up?
지금도 수강 신청할 수 있어요.
Can I stop now?
Can I stop now?
이제 멈춰도 될까요?
Can you decorate this room?
Can you decorate this room?
당신은 이 방을 장식할 수 있습니까?
Can you deliver it?
Can you deliver it?
배달해 주시겠어요?
Can you describe the assailant?
Can you describe the assailant?
혹가 행자의 인상착의를 말씀하시겠어요?
Can you describe the individual?
Can you describe the individual?
인상착의를 설명해 주실 수 있습니까?
Can you pick me up?
Can you pick me up?
저를 들 수나 있어요.
Can you place that voice?
Can you place that voice?
저 목소리를 알아듣겠니?
Can you place identify this face?
Can you place identify this face?
이 얼굴을 알아보겠니?
Can you play any instruments?
Can you play any instruments?
어떤 악기를 연주할 줄 알아요?
Can you play baseball?
Can you play baseball?
야구를 할 줄 아세요?
Can you play go?
Can you play go?
바둑 둘 수 있어?
Can you play sports?
Can you play sports?
어떤 운동을 할 줄 알아요?
But who knows?
But who knows?
그런데 혹시 또 모르지?
But why?
But why?
그러나 왜?
But why can't we?
But why can't we?
하지만 왜 안 되는데요?
But why do animals hibernate?
But why do animals hibernate?
하지만 동물들은 왜 동면을 할까?
But why do people lie?
But why do people lie?
그런데 사람들은 왜 거짓말을 할까?
But why do they swear?
But why do they swear?
그러나 왜 그들은 욕을 할까요?
But why go after him?
But why go after him?
하지만 왜 판사를 쫓았던 거지?
But why?
But why?
왜?
But Will wasn't like this.
But Will wasn't like this.
하지만 윌은 이렇지 않았습니다.
But work comes first.
But work comes first.
그래도 일이 먼저지?
But wouldn't say why.
But wouldn't say why.
하지만 이유를 말하지 않을 거야?
But yeah, that's true.
But yeah, that's true.
하지만 그건 사실이죠.
But yesterday he renounced conflict.
But yesterday, he renounced conflict.
하지만 어제 그는 갈등을 포기했다.
But you are basically conservative.
But you are basically conservative.
그러나 당신은 근본적으로 보수적입니다.
But you cannot be sure.
But you cannot be sure.
하지만 넌 확신할 수 없어.
But you can't do that.
But you can't do that.
하지만 넌 할 수 없어.
But you can't handle kids.
But you can't handle kids.
애들 따윈 다루지 못해.
But you could teach us.
But you could teach us.
가르쳐주면 되잖아.
But you didn't remember.
But you didn't remember.
하지만 당신은 기억하지 못했다.
But you don't belong here.
But you don't belong here.
하지만 넌 여기에 속하지 않잖아.
But you don't fit crimes.
But you don't fit crimes.
알고 보니까 범죄랑은 안 어울려요.
But you don't notice it.
But you don't notice it.
하지만 당신은 알아차리지 못해.
But you don't understand it.
But you don't understand it.
하지만 넌 이해하지 못해.
But you found me.
But you found me.
결국 찾았잖아.
But you gotta want help.
But you gotta want help.
하지만 스스로 도움을 원해야 해요.
But you have dignity.
But you have dignity.
하지만 품위가 있잖아요.
But you just got up.
But you just got up.
하지만 지금 일어나셨잖아요.
But you know what else?
But you know what else?
하지만 여러분 그거 알아요.
But you know what?
But you know what?
하지만 여러분은 무엇을 알고 있나요?
But you know, it's cool.
But you know it's cool.
하지만 너도 알잖아. 이건 끝내줘.
But you left.
But you left.
하지만 당신은 떠났었잖아요.
But you look absolutely stunning.
But you look absolutely stunning.
근데 너 정말 멋져 보인다.
But you love packing.
But you love packing.
넌 짐 싸는 거 좋아하잖아.
But you must drink often.
But you must drink often.
그렇지만 술을 자주 마시잖아요.
But you never can tell.
But you never can tell.
하지만 아무도 모를 일이에요.
But you said one.
But you said one.
한 장이랬잖아.
But you said.
But you said.
하지만 내가 그랬잖.
But you turned out great.
But you turned out great.
하지만 너 굉장히 멋졌어.
But you were too much.
But you were too much.
그래도 너 너무 심했어.
But you won't marry me.
But you won't marry me.
하지만 당신은 저와 결혼하지 않을 거예요.
But you'll be all alone.
But you'll be all alone.
엄마는 혼자 있잖아요.
But you'll die.
But you'll die.
그러면 돌아가실 거예요.
But you'll never know me.
But you'll never know me.
하지만 넌 평생 날 모를 거야.
But young men aren't careful.
But young men aren't careful.
하지만 젊은 남자들은 신중하지 못합니다.
But your fly is open.
But your fly is open.
바지 지퍼 열렸어요.
But your parents might.
But your parents might.
하지만 당신의 부모님들은 좋아할 수도 있다.
But your time is up.
But your time is up.
하지만 당신 시대는 끝났어요.
But you're a cold fish.
But you're a cold fish.
하지만 넌 냉담한 사람이야.
But you're actually watching YouTube?
But you're actually watching YouTube?
유튜브 영상을 관람하고 있나요?
But you're an ogre, right?
But you're an ogre, right?
하지만 넌 괴물이잖아. 맞지?
But you're breaking your promise.
But you're breaking your promise.
하지만 약속을 어기는 거잖아.
But you're going bananas.
But you're going bananas.
그런데 좀 너무 흥분한 것 같아.
But you're just sitting there.
But you're just sitting there.
거기에 그냥 앉아 있으면서 뭘 그래요?
But you're married.
But you're married.
하지만 당신은 결혼했잖아요.
But you're not anymore.
But you're not anymore.
하지만 이젠 아니잖아요.
But you're not bald.
But you're not bald.
대머리가 아니잖아요.
But you're so cute.
But you're so cute.
하지만 당신은 너무 귀여워요.
But you're up to something.
But you're up to something.
하지만 너에겐 속셈이 있다.
But you're wired just fine.
But you're wired just fine.
너는 다른 사람들과 좋은 관계를 유지할 수 있어.
But you've got me.
But you've got me.
너에겐 내가 있잖아.
But you've got no destination.
But you've got no destination.
아무런 목적지가 없죠?
But you've got one.
But you've got one.
그래도 있어야 돼.
But you've let me down.
But you've let me down.
하지만 넌 날 실망시켰어.
But Zeus designed a trap.
But Zeus designed a trap.
하지만 제우스 신은 덫을 놓았습니다.
But there's one thing.
But there's one thing.
하지만 딱 하나.
But, it wasn't me.
But it wasn't me.
하지만 이번은 아니야.
But do not be silly.
But do not be silly.
하지만 바보같이 굴지 마.
But he practices hard.
But he practices hard.
하지만 그는 정말 열심히 연습합니다.
But I like my sister.
But I like my sister.
그러나 나는 내 여동생이 좋다.
But I love you.
But I love you.
하지만 당신을 사랑하는 건요.
But I persuaded her.
But I persuaded her.
근데 제가 꼬셨어요.
But I recognized her immediately.
But I recognized her immediately.
하지만 전 그녀를 금방 알아봤어요.
But it didn't work.
But it didn't work.
하지마, 제대로 들지 않았어요.
But it includes something new.
But it includes something new.
하지만 이것은 뭔가 새로운 것을 포함한다.
But it is not real.
But it is not real.
하지만 그것은 진짜가 아니에요.
But it is steadily increasing.
But it is steadily increasing.
하지만 그것은 꾸준히 증가하고 있다.
But it was so hard.
But it was so hard.
그러나 몹시 힘들었다.
But it was stupid.
But it was stupid.
정말 한심했지?
But it's complicated.
But it's complicated.
하지만 아주 복잡해.
But it's free today.
But it's free today.
하지만 오늘은 무료입니다.
But it's swollen.
But it's swollen.
하지만 부어 올랐어요.
But Liam's on my team.
But Liam's on my team.
리엄은 우리 편인데,
But look closely.
But look closely.
하지만 자세히 보세요.
But Mom, those are vegetables.
But, Mom, those are vegetables.
하지만 엄마, 그것들은 야채잖아요.
But my God, the ambition.
But, my God, the ambition.
하지만 세상에 말이야, 야망이 있어.
But now I've taken over.
But, now I've taken over.
내가 완전히 차지했네.
But occasionally, they do disagree.
But, occasionally, they do disagree.
하지만 이따금 그들은 동의하지 않는다.
But okay, I get it.
But, okay, I get it.
하지만 자, 알겠어요.
But there's more.
But, there's more.
하지만 좀 더 남았는걸요.
But they can't be fake.
But, they can't be fake.
하지만 가짜일 리가 없어요.
But those are for you.
But, those are for you.
그건 자기 주려고 산 거야.
But it can't happen.
But, it can't happen.
하지만 이루어질 수가 없어.
But we are.
But, we are.
사실은 그래요.
But what kind of music?
But, what kind of music?
하지만 어떤 음악을 즐겨 들을까요?
But you can't always hide.
But, you can't always hide.
하지만 항상 숨을 수는 없어.
But you guys, come on.
But, you guys come on.
하지만 얘들아,
But you're not identical twins.
But, you're not identical twins.
그렇지만 당신들은 일란성 쌍둥이가 아니잖아요.
But now go.
But, now go.
알아서 빨리 나가.
But what should I do?
But, what should I do?
하지만 내가 어떻게 해야 하지?
But dot the salt.
But, the salt.
하지만 소금은,
But dot you suck.
But, that you suck.
하지만 자기 진짜 못하잖아.
Butcher's block.
Butcher's block.
푸주의 도마.
But cut.
But, cut.
너는 간섭하지 마라.
But heads.
But, heads.
부딪혀요.
But out of our conversation.
But, out of our conversation.
우리 대화에 너는 참견하지 마.
But out.
But, out.
끼어들지 마.
But out.
But, out.
참견하지 마. 상관하지 마. 신경 쓰지 마.
Butter is made from milk.
Butter is made from milk.
버터는 우유로 만들어진다.
Butter the toast.
Butter the toast.
토스트에 버터를 바르세요.
Butterfingers.
Butterfingers.
왜 이렇게 뭘 잘 놓치는지 모르겠어.
Butterflies and birds are animals.
Butterflies and birds are animals.
나비들과 새들은 동물들입니다.
Butterflies and moths.
Butterflies and moths.
나비와 나방들.
Butterflies are distinct from moths.
Butterflies are distinct from moths.
나비는 나방과는 종류가 다르다.
Butterflies are great pollinators.
Butterflies are great pollinators.
나비들은 위대한 꽃가루 매개자입니다.
Butterflies can be strong flyers.
Butterflies can be strong flyers.
나비는 잘 날아다닐 수 있다.
Butterflies don't have lungs.
Butterflies don't have lungs.
나비들은 폐가 없어요.
Butterflies face mounting threats.
Butterflies face mounting threats.
나비들이 점증하는 위협에 처해 있다.
Butterflies impaled on small pins.
Butterflies impaled on small pins.
작은 핀에 꽂힌 나비들.
Butterflies play among flowers.
Butterflies play among flowers.
나비들이 꽃 사이를 날아다닌다.
Butterflies start as eggs.
Butterflies start as eggs.
나비는 알에서부터 태어난다.
Butterflies taste with their feet.
Butterflies taste with their feet.
나비들은 발로 맛을 봅니다.
Butterfly caterpillars feed on plants.
Butterfly caterpillars feed on plants.
나비 애벌레는 식물을 먹고 삽니다.
Butterfly eggs are colorful.
Butterfly eggs are colorful.
나비의 알은 화려하다.
Butterfly eggs do not change.
Butterfly eggs do not change.
나비의 알은 변하지 않는다.
Butterfly eggs have many sizes.
Butterfly eggs have many sizes.
나비의 알은 크기가 다양하다.
Butterfly eyes are irresistible.
Butterfly eyes are irresistible.
나비처럼 눈을 깜빡이면 거부할 수가 없지?
Butterfly park.
Butterfly park.
나비 공원.
Button up your lip.
Button up your lip.
입 다물어.
Button one's lip.
Button one's lip.
조용히 하다. 입을 다물다.
Button up your shirt.
Button up your shirt.
입 다물어.
Button up.
Button up.
입 다물어.
Button your lip.
Button your lip.
입 다물어.
Buy a lemon.
Buy a lemon.
물건을 속아서 사다.
Buybacks are not dead.
Buybacks are not dead.
주식 환매 기회는 아직 남아 있다.
Buy big or go home.
Buy big or go home.
뭐 아니면 돌을 사.
Buy everybody a few rounds.
Buy everybody a few rounds.
모두에게 술을 몇 잔씩 돌렸죠.
Buy it online here.
Buy it online here.
여기 온라인으로 구입하세요.
Buy low, sell high.
Buy low, sell high.
쌀 때 사서 비쌀 때 팔아라.
Buy me a doll.
Buy me a doll.
나에게 인형을 사줘.
Buy me a drink then.
Buy me a drink then.
술 사요, 그럼.
Buy mommy. We love you.
Buy mommy. We love you.
안녕, 널 사랑한다.
Buy now, pay later.
Buy now, pay later.
지금 사고 다음에 내면 돼.
Buy on credit.
Buy on credit.
외상으로 사라.
Buy on the never never.
Buy on the never never.
할부로 구입해.
Buy one, get one free.
Buy one, get one free.
하나 사면 하나 공짜.
Buy one, get one free.
Buy one, get one free.
하나를 사면 덤으로 하나 더 드립니다.
Buy one's wolf ticket.
Buy one's wolf ticket.
남이 뻐기는 말을 트집 잡다. 남의 도전에 응하다. 남의 위협을 상대해주다.
Buy some nice tomatoes.
Buy some nice tomatoes.
좋은 토마토를 사주세요.
Buy something? What is it?
Buy something? What is it?
뭐라도 사? 뭔데?
Buy tickets online.
Buy tickets online.
온라인으로 표를 구입하세요.
Buy us snacks.
Buy us snacks.
간식 사줘.
Buy whatever you want.
Buy whatever you want.
사고 싶은 거 마음대로 사?
Buyer, that's correct.
Buyer, that's correct.
고객 맞아요.
Buying off candidate.
Buying off candidate.
후보자 매수하기.
Buying power is growing.
Buying power is growing.
구매력이 증대하고 있다.
Buying this product is advisable.
Buying this product is advisable.
이 제품 구매는 권장할 만해요.
Buzz me at the office.
Buzz me at the office.
제 사무실로 전화하세요.
Buzz me.
Buzz me.
전화를 걸어달라.
Buzz off.
Buzz off.
꺼져버려. Go away.
Buzz off. You're bothering me.
Buzz off. You're bothering me.
썩 꺼져. 너 때문에 신경 거슬리니까.
Buzz off. Or go away.
Buzz off. Or go away.
꺼져버려.
Buzz off.
Buzz off.
제발 좀 가줘.
By or through an oversight.
By or through an oversight.
실수로.
By a finger's breadth.
By a finger's breadth.
가운데 손가락 폭만큼의 극히 작은 차이로 간신히 바이 A 내로 마어진.
By a hair's breadth.
By a hair's breadth.
간발의 차로 아슬아슬하게.
By a head.
By a head.
경마에서 간발의 차이로 근소한 차이로.
By a prescription.
By a prescription.
처방전에 의해.
By a short head.
By a short head.
가까스로 근소한 차이로.
By accident.
By accident.
어쩌다.
By airmail or surface mail.
By airmail or surface mail.
항공편입니까? 선편입니까?
By airmail, please.
By airmail, please.
항공 우편이요.
By airmail, please.
By airmail, please.
항공 우편으로 부탁합니다.
By airplane or by ship.
By airplane or by ship.
비행기로 아니면 배로요?
By all appearances, you're right.
By all appearances, you're right.
이리저리 살펴봐도 내 말이 맞아.
By all means, enjoy yourselves.
By all means, enjoy yourselves.
어쨌든 잘 감상하시기 바랍니다.
By all means, go ahead.
By all means, go ahead.
좋고 말고요. 보세요.
By all means.
By all means.
아무렴요.
By an eyelash.
By an eyelash.
근소한 차이로.
By and between.
By and between.
에 의해.
By and large.
By and large.
대체로.
By and under.
By and under.
에 따라. 에 의해.
By and with.
By and with.
에 의해.
By April this year.
By April this year.
올해 4월까지.
By carefully targeting our advertising.
By carefully targeting our advertising.
대상을 잘 겨냥해서 광고를 하거든요.
By common or general or universal consent.
By common or general or universal consent.
전원 합의로. 만장일치로.
By common assent.
By common assent.
전원 찬성으로. 만장일치로.
By common consent.
By common consent.
만장일치로. 이해 없이. 이구동성으로. 한결같이.
By compulsion.
By compulsion.
강제적으로.
By constraint.
By constraint.
무리하게. 억지로.
By contrast with.
By contrast with.
과는 대조적으로.
By cracky. He's so cool.
By cracky. He's so cool.
과연. 그는 멋져.
By crumping the face.
By crumping the face.
말도 안 되죠.
By day.
By day.
낮에. 주간에. CF. 바이 나이.
By degrees the color faded.
By degrees the color faded.
점차로 색이 바랬다.
By degrees.
By degrees.
조금씩. 서서히.
By delivering the report himself.
By delivering the report himself.
보고서를 손수 전달한다.
By distributing their pollen.
By distributing their pollen.
꽃가루를 분산시킴으로써.
By dog not flowers.
By dog not flowers.
꽃이 아닌 개에게 공격당했음.
By email is fine.
By email is fine.
이메일로 보내도 괜찮아요.
By express mail, please.
By express mail, please.
고속 메일로요.
By express mail, please.
By express mail, please.
속달로 해주세요.
By express mail.
By express mail.
빠른 우편으로요.
By fair means or foul.
By fair means or foul.
수단이 좋고 나쁨을 불문에 붙이고 without 스크루펠.
By for God.
By for God.
맹세코 반드시.
By general consent.
By general consent.
만장일치로 이의 없이 지구동성으로.
By gesture.
By gesture.
손짓, 몸짓으로.
By going through my stuff.
By going through my stuff.
내 물건을 뒤져서.
By golly.
By golly.
저런.
By government subsidies.
By government subsidies.
정부 보조금으로요.
By halves.
By halves.
불완전, 어중간, 하게, 불성실하게, 마지못해, 보통 부정문에서.
By having me killed.
By having me killed.
나를 죽임으로 인해서.
By him all things consist.
By him all things consist.
만물이 다 그로 말미암느니라.
By his express consent.
By his express consent.
그의 특별한 승낙을 받고.
By insensible degrees.
By insensible degrees.
매우 천천히.
By law.
By law.
법률에 따라, 법률적으로.
By leaps and bounds.
By leaps and bounds.
껑충껑충 뛰어서, 착착.
By main force or strength.
By main force or strength.
전력을 다하여.
By mutual consent.
By mutual consent.
상호 합의에 따라.
By nails and by blood.
By nails and by blood.
맹세코.
By next week.
By next week.
다음 주까지요.
By 9 o'clock.
By 9 o'clock.
9시까지입니다.
By no means.
By no means.
절대 안 돼요.
By now.
By now.
지금은 벌써.
By oneself.
By oneself.
단독으로, 혼자서, 언론.
By overnight express.
By overnight express.
심야 속달로요.
By provision of nature.
By provision of nature.
자연의 섭리에 의하여.
By pure accident.
By pure accident.
순전히 우연히, 어쩌다가.
By registered mail, please.
By registered mail, please.
등록 메일로요.
By sheer strength.
By sheer strength.
완력으로, 주먹 다짐으로.
By some method.
By some method.
어떤 방법으로.
By someone besides Monica? No.
By someone besides Monica? No.
모니카한테 말고 누구.
By subway, usually.
By subway usually.
대개는 지하철을 타요.
By subway.
By subway.
지하철로요.
By the book.
By the book.
규칙에 따라, 원칙대로.
By the door.
By the door.
문 쪽이요.
By the grapevine.
By the grapevine.
소문으로.
By the help of.
By the help of.
외 도움으로.
By the light of nature.
By the light of nature.
직관으로, 자연히, 배우지 않고도, by intuition, without teaching.
By the side of.
By the side of.
의 곁에.
By the stairs.
By the stairs.
계단 옆에요.
By the stoplight.
By the stoplight.
신호등 옆에요.
By the time S plus V plus.
By the time S plus V plus J.
S가 V 할 때쯤에는 하다.
By the time you graduate.
By the time you graduate.
졸업할 때까지는.
By the way, I'm Tay.
By the way, I'm Tay.
그런데, 전태예요.
By the way.
By the way.
아무튼요.
By the way.
By the way.
그런데, 참고로, 덧붙여서.
By the wayside.
By the wayside.
길가에.
By then, everyone was gone.
By then, everyone was gone.
그때쯤에는 모두 가고 없었어요.
By this weekend.
By this weekend.
이번 주까지요.
By train.
By train.
기차로요.
By turning it upside down.
By turning it upside down.
뒤집어서요.
By 2 o'clock.
By 2 o'clock.
2시부터요.
By washing clothes.
By washing clothes.
빨래를 하는 걸로요.
By way of explanation.
By way of explanation.
설명으로서.
By way of ornament.
By way of ornament.
장식으로서, 장식하기 위해.
By way of prevention.
By way of prevention.
예방하기 위해.
By weight.
By weight.
무게당 팔아요.
By weight. 60p per pound.
By weight. 60p per pound.
무게로 팝니다. 파운드당 60페니입니다.
By what time?
By what time?
몇 시까지 해?
By whom are judges appointed?
By whom are judges appointed?
재판장은 누가 지정하지요?
By word of mouth.
By word of mouth.
입소문으로, 구전으로.
By yourself?
By yourself?
혼자요.
By making people happy.
By making people happy.
사람들을 행복하게 해서 꿈을 실현시키는 거라고.
By petulant little boy.
By petulant little boy.
심술쟁이 꼬마야 잘 가렴.
By.
By.
안녕.
By Chandler.
By Chandler.
잘 있어, 챈들러.
By dad. By.
By dad. By.
안녕. 아빠 안녕.
By daddy.
By daddy.
안녕, 아빠.
Bye for now, dad.
Bye for now, dad.
아빠 나중에 봬요.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.
나간다 잘 가.
Bye, guys. Yeah, see ya.
Bye, guys. Yeah, see ya.
안녕 그래 나중에 봐.
Bye, honey.
Bye, honey.
안녕.
Bye, house.
Bye, house.
안녕. 집아.
Bye now. Or so long.
Bye now, or so long.
자, 그럼 안녕히 계십시오.
Bye, Ross. Bye.
Bye, Ross. Bye.
안녕, 로스. 안녕.
Bye, sweetie. Bye, Han.
Bye, sweetie. Bye, Han.
안녕. 한이 안녕. 자기.
Bye, you guys. Bye bye.
Bye, you guys. Bye, bye.
잘 다녀와 잘 가.
Bye, you.
Bye, you.
잘 가요.
Bye. Bye, Janine.
Bye. Bye, Janine.
잘 가요. 잘 가요, 제닌.
Bye. Job well done.
Bye. Job well done.
안녕. 수고했어.
Bye. See you later.
Bye. See you later.
안녕. 나중에 봐.
Bye. See you next week.
Bye. See you next week.
안녕. 다음 주에 봐.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care.
안녕. 잘 지내요.
Bye, Alice.
Bye, Alice.
안녕, 앨리스.
Bye, Bess.
Bye, Bess.
잘 가요, 베스.
Bye, Boots.
Bye, Boots.
안녕, 부츠야.
Bye, Chandler.
Bye, Chandler.
잘 가, 챈들러.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
아빠, 안녕.
Bye, fat ass.
Bye, fat ass.
잘 가. 짝꿍둥이.
Bye, guys. Peace out.
Bye, guys. Peace out.
안녕. 잘 있어요.
Bye. Have a good weekend.
Bye. Have a good weekend.
안녕. 주말 즐겁게 보내.
Bye, Nana.
Bye, Nana.
안녕히 가세요, 할머니.
Bye, Phoebes. Okay, bye.
Bye, Phoebes. Okay, bye.
잘 가, 피비 안녕.
Bye, Richard.
Bye, Richard.
잘 가요. 리차드 잘 있게.
Bye, see you.
Bye, see you.
잘 갔다 오너라.
Bye. Take the bus home.
Bye. Take the bus home.
안녕. 버스 타고 가주세요.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
안녕, 안녕.
Bye. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, bye.
잘 있어, 잘 가.
Bye. Catch you later.
Bye. Catch you later.
안녕. 다음에 봐.
Bye. No touch. No touch.
Bye. No touch. No touch.
잘 있어, 손도 대지 마.
Bye. See you Monday.
Bye. See you Monday.
안녕. 월요일에 만나자.
Bye. Wave your hands, please.
Bye. Wave your hands, please.
안녕. 손은 들어주세요.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye.
잘 가.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye.
안녕.
Bye bye. Okay, bye.
Bye, bye. Okay, bye.
안녕, 잘 가.
Bygone is bygone.
Bygone is bygone.
과거는 과거로 돌립시다.
BYOB if you wish.
BYOB if you wish.
원하면 자기가 마시는 술을 가지고 와라.
Bird's 1928 expedition to Antarctica.
Bird's 1928 expedition to Antarctica.
버드의 1928년 남극 원정.
Bird's masses are indeed sublime.
Bird's masses are indeed sublime.
버드 씨의 덩어리들은 충분히 황당하다.
Byron's poetical works.
Byron's poetical works.
바이런 시선.
C comes before D.
C comes before D.
C는 D 앞에 옵니다.
C math library. Argument singularity.
C math library. Argument singularity.
C 수학 라이브러리. 인수가 특이합니다.
CAI ask something?
CAI ask something?
내가 뭐 좀 물어볼 수 있을까?
Cabbage contains vitamin U.
Cabbage contains vitamin U.
양배추에는 비타민 U가 포함되어 있습니다.
Cabinet file not found.
Cabinet file not found.
캐비닛 파일을 찾을 수 없습니다.
Cable is different.
Cable is different.
케이블은 달라요.
Cable lowest price prompt.
Cable lowest price prompt.
최저가 즉시 타전 바람.
Cable missing from package.
Cable missing from package.
패키지에 케이블이 없습니다.
Cable stocks.
Cable stocks.
재고량 전보로 송신바람.
Cactuses need little water.
Cactuses need little water.
선인장은 물을 별로 필요로 하지 않는다.
Caesar took Nero's place.
Caesar took Nero's place.
시전은 네로의 자리를 차지했다.
Caesarean operation.
Caesarean operation.
제왕 절개 수술.
Caesarean section.
Caesarean section.
제왕 절개 수술.
Caesar's wife must be suspicion.
Caesar's wife must be suspicion.
참외밭에서 신발끈을 고쳐 매지 마라.
Cafe au lait, please.
Cafe au lait, please.
카페오레 부탁해요.
Cafes are concentrated near universities.
Cafes are concentrated near universities.
대학가 근처에 카페가 밀집되어 있다.
Caffeine can be very addictive.
Caffeine can be very addictive.
카페인은 매우 중독성이 강할 수 있다.
Caffeine makes me jumpy.
Caffeine makes me jumpy.
카페인 때문에 안전부절 못하겠어.
Cain was born by Eve.
Cain was born by Eve.
카인은 하와가 낳은 아들이다.
Cake can even shoot fireworks.
Cake can even shoot fireworks.
이 케이크는 불꽃도 발사할 수 있다.
Cakes loaded with calories.
Cakes loaded with calories.
칼로리가 아주 높은 케이크들.
Calamities are inevitable.
Calamities are inevitable.
천재는 면부득하다.
Calamities fall in rapid sequence.
Calamities fall in rapid sequence.
불행은 뒤에서 연달아 오다.
Calibrate the screen if required.
Calibrate the screen if required.
필요한 경우 스크린을 칼리브레이션합니다.
Calibration is set already.
Calibration is set already.
보정이 이미 설정되어 있습니다.
Calibration may be required.
Calibration may be required.
캘리브레이션이 필요할 수 있습니다.
California.
California.
캘리포니아요.
Call or ring or buzz me.
Call or ring or buzz me.
전화해달라.
Call 1-800-555-3322 today.
Call 1-800-555-3322 today.
오늘 당장 1대 80영대 55대 3322로 전화 주십시오.
Call 911, please.
Call 911, please.
911에 전화해 주세요.
Call a dentist.
Call a dentist.
치과 의사를 불러.
Call a doctor, please.
Call a doctor, please.
의사를 불러주세요.
Call a fire engine.
Call a fire engine.
소방차 부르세요.
Call a person's bluff.
Call a person's bluff.
암호의 끝수를 공개시키다. 9어 상대의 허세를 알고 도전하다.
Call a press conference.
Call a press conference.
기자회견을 요청하세요.
Call a spade a spade.
Call a spade a spade.
까놓고 말하라.
Call a taxi for me.
Call a taxi for me.
택시를 불러주세요.
Call a taxi, please.
Call a taxi, please.
택시를 불러주십시오.
Call after dinner.
Call after dinner.
저녁 먹고 전화해.
Call again a little later.
Call again a little later.
조금 있다 다시 오세요.
Call again in 10 minutes.
Call again in 10 minutes.
10분 후에 다시 전화해.
Call ahead if you're delayed.
Call ahead if you're delayed.
늦어지면 미리 연락해 주세요.
Call an ambulance.
Call an ambulance.
구급차 불러요.
Call an ambulance, please.
Call an ambulance, please.
구급차를 불러주세요.
Call any time after 7.
Call any time after 7.
7시 이후 언제든 전화해라.
Call BADA.
Call BADA.
바다에게 전화해.
Call designated driver services.
Call designated driver services.
대리운전 불러요.
Call everyone to the table.
Call everyone to the table.
전부 식탁으로 오라고 해요.
Call failed due to fading.
Call failed due to fading.
페이딩으로 인해 통화하지 못했습니다.
Call failed, please try again.
Call failed, please try again.
통화 실패입니다. 다시 시도하십시오.
Call for a free catalog.
Call for a free catalog.
무료 상품 카탈로그를 원하시면 전화 주세요.
Call for details.
Call for details.
자세한 사항은 전화 주세요.
Call for reservations today.
Call for reservations today.
오늘 전화로 예약하십시오.
Call for service if required.
Call for service if required.
필요한 경우 서비스를 요청하십시오.
Call for service if required.
Call for service if required.
필요한 경우 서비스를 요청하십시오.
Call her at this number.
Call her at this number.
그녀에게 이 번호로 전화하세요.
Call her. Call her now.
Call her. Call her now.
그녀에게 전화해. 당장.
Call him in sick.
Call him in sick.
그에게 병가라고 전화를 한다.
Call him on the telephone.
Call him on the telephone.
그에게 전화를 것이요.
Call him out like Daehong.
Call him out like Daehong.
대이홍 씨하고 그를 불러봐요.
Call him out.
Call him out.
그에게 뭐라고 해.
Call him right back.
Call him right back.
다시 전화하기.
Call him up right away.
Call him up right away.
그에게 즉시 전화를 걸어라.
Call if it's dangerous.
Call if it's dangerous.
위험하면 전화하고.
Call in a doctor.
Call in a doctor.
의사를 불러요.
Call in a roadblock.
Call in a roadblock.
바리케이드를 쳐.
Call in sick.
Call in sick.
병가를 내다.
Call information for the number.
Call information for the number.
인포메이션에 전화해서 번호를 조회해 보세요.
Call is off hold.
Call is off hold.
통화 대기가 해제되었습니다.
Call it a day.
Call it a day.
을 그만두다. 하루를 마치다.
Call it a draw.
Call it a draw.
무승부로 하자.
Call it even.
Call it even.
쌤쌤으로 할까?
Call it good.
Call it good.
좋다고 할 수 있나?
Call me a couch potato.
Call me a couch potato.
TV광이라고 불러도 좋아.
Call me a couch potato.
Call me a couch potato.
저를 게으름뱅이라고 부르세요.
Call me a taxi.
Call me a taxi.
택시를 불러주세요.
Call me an ambulance.
Call me an ambulance.
구급차 좀 불러주세요.
Call me anytime.
Call me anytime.
언제든 내게 전화해.
Call me anytime.
Call me anytime.
언제든 전화해.
Call me at my house.
Call me at my house.
우리 집으로 내게 전화해.
Call me at the office.
Call me at the office.
사무실로 저를 찾아와 주세요.
Call me at this number.
Call me at this number.
이 번호로 연락 주세요.
Call me by my name.
Call me by my name.
이름을 불러주세요.
Call me Fiona Bruce.
Call me Fiona Bruce.
나를 파오나 브루스라고 불러다오.
Call me if anything changes.
Call me if anything changes.
뭔가 달라지는 게 있으면 알려줘.
Call me if anything happens.
Call me if anything happens.
무슨 일이 생기면 전화해요.
Call me later on.
Call me later on.
다음에 전화를 걸어주세요.
Call me later, okay?
Call me later, okay?
내게 나중에 요청해요. 알겠어요?
Call me later.
Call me later.
나중에 전화하세요.
Call me maybe.
Call me maybe.
전화하려면 하던가.
Call me modest.
Call me modest.
겸손이라 불러주세요.
Call me Miss Park.
Call me Miss Park.
MS 박이라고 불러주세요.
Call me Naomi, please.
Call me Naomi, please.
나오미라고 불러주세요.
Call me right now.
Call me right now.
빨리 전화해.
Call me Sam, please.
Call me Sam, please.
샘이라고 불러주세요.
Call me sometime.
Call me sometime.
나중에 전화 한 번 해.
Call me taxi, please.
Call me taxi, please.
택시 불러주세요.
Call me tonight without fail.
Call me tonight without fail.
오늘 밤 꼭 전화해 주세요.
Call me up.
Call me up.
전화해.
Call me when he comes.
Call me when he comes.
그가 오거든 나를 불러다오.
Call me when it's done.
Call me when it's done.
이따 끝나고 연락 줘.
Call me when it's over.
Call me when it's over.
끝나면 연락해.
Call me when time permits.
Call me when time permits.
시간이 있을 때 전화해 주시오.
Call me when you're done.
Call me when you're done.
다 하면 전화해요.
Call me when you're free.
Call me when you're free.
시간 날 때 전화해.
Call me when you're there.
Call me when you're there.
도착하면 연락해.
Call me whenever you're free.
Call me whenever you're free.
시간이 날 때 전화 주세요.
Call me.
Call me.
전화해.
Call me, okay?
Call me, okay?
전화하고 알았지?
Call me.
Call me.
전화해 줄래요?
Call my name.
Call my name.
내 이름을 불러줘.
Call off the dogs.
Call off the dogs.
긴장 푸세요. 비평을 그만두세요.
Call off the helicopter.
Call off the helicopter.
헬리콥터를 멈춰.
Call off the missiles.
Call off the missiles.
미사일을 철수시켜라.
Call off the strike.
Call off the strike.
파업을 철회하다.
Call off the wedding.
Call off the wedding.
결혼식을 취소했니?
Call off your attack.
Call off your attack.
공격을 중단해.
Call off your plan.
Call off your plan.
당신의 계획을 철회하세요.
Call off your soldiers.
Call off your soldiers.
부하들 불러들여.
Call on me, please. Okay.
Call on me, please. Okay.
나 좀 불러줘요. 네.
Call on me too, please.
Call on me too, please.
저도 불러주세요.
Call our toll-free number now.
Call our toll-free number now.
지금 저희 장거리 무료 전화로 전화 주세요.
Call paramedics.
Call paramedics.
의료진을 불러요.
Call respiratory for a ventilator.
Call respiratory for a ventilator.
인공호흡 장치도 부탁해 놓고요.
Call service if required.
Call service if required.
필요한 경우 서비스를 부릅니다.
Call someone names.
Call someone names.
욕하다. 험담하다.
Call the attendee.
Call the attendee.
참석자에게 전화하세요.
Call the deal off.
Call the deal off.
그 계약 취소해.
Call the doctor, will you?
Call the doctor, will you?
의사를 불러주시겠습니까?
Call the fire department.
Call the fire department.
소방서에 전화하세요.
Call the police, please.
Call the police, please.
경찰을 불러주세요.
Call the police.
Call the police.
경찰을 불러주세요.
Call the service representative.
Call the service representative.
서비스 담당자에게 문의합니다.
Call the shots or tune.
Call the shots or tune.
지휘하다. 통제하다. 감독하다.
Call them. Here.
Call them. Here.
전화해봐 여기.
Call time after 7 minutes.
Call time after 7 minutes.
7분 후 종료를 선언합니다.
Call to this number.
Call to this number.
여기다 전화 주시면
Call transfer timed out.
Call transfer timed out.
통화 전송 시간이 초과되었습니다.
Call waiting doesn't work.
Call waiting doesn't work.
콜웨이팅은 안 돼.
Call waiting not available.
Call waiting not available.
통화 중 대기를 사용할 수 없습니다.
Call whoever you want.
Call whoever you want.
원하는 사람 아무에게나 전화를 걸어.
Call you dumb.
Call you dumb.
너한테 바보래?
Call your dog off, please.
Call your dog off, please.
제발 당신의 개를 쫓아주세요.
Call your office's representative today.
Call your office's East representative today.
오늘 오피스시스 영업사원에게 연락하세요.
Call your service representative.
Call your service representative.
서비스 담당자에게 연락합니다.
Call. Leave a note.
Call. Leave a note.
전화해도 되고 메모를 남겨도 되고
Called at the last minute.
Called at the last minute.
막판에 전화가 와서요.
Called him a couple times.
Called him a couple times.
그에게 몇 번 전화했어?
Called to authenticate the client.
Called to authenticate the client.
클라이언트를 인증하기 위해 호출됩니다.
Calling customer is not verified.
Calling customer is not verified.
전화를 건 고객이 확인되지 않았습니다.
Calling is a good idea.
Calling is a good idea.
전화 통화도 좋네요.
Calling name.
Calling name.
이름 부르는 중.
Calling out one by one?
Calling out one by one.
한 명씩 불리는 건가요?
Calls himself Venom.
Calls himself Venom.
그 자식은 지 스스로를 베넘이라고 불렀지?
Calls might end unexpectedly.
Calls might end unexpectedly.
통화가 예상치 않게 끝날 수 있습니다.
Calm and reserved boy. Or sissy boy. Sissy equals sister-like.
Calm and reserved boy. Or sissy boy. Sissy equals sister-like.
얌전한 남자아이.
Calm and reserved boy. Or sissy boy.
Calm and reserved boy. Or sissy boy.
얌전한 남자아이.
Calm descended on the crowd.
Calm descended on the crowd.
군중들 위로 침묵이 내려앉았다.
Calm down now.
Calm down now.
이제 조용히 해.
Calm down. Don't make waves.
Calm down. Don't make waves.
진정해. 난리, 문제 풍파, 피우지 말고.
Calm down. Or cool it.
Calm down. Or cool it.
진정하세요.
Calm down. Or relax. Or take it easy. Or chill out.
Calm down. Or relax. Or take it easy. Or chill out.
침착해라.
Calm down, guys.
Calm down, guys.
너희들, 진정해.
Calm down, I'm blow drying.
Calm down. I'm blow drying.
기다려 머리 말리고 있어?
Calm down, Mrs. Robinson.
Calm down, Mrs. Robinson.
진정하세요. 로빈슨 부인.
Calm down, will you?
Calm down, will you?
진정하세요.
Calm down.
Calm down.
흥분을 가라앉혀요.
Calm down. She'll call eventually.
Calm down. She'll call eventually.
진정해. 결국에는 전화를 할 거야.
Calm down. What's the rush?
Calm down. What's the rush?
진정해. 왜 서두르니?
Calm down. Or calm yourself. Or be calm.
Calm down. Or calm yourself. Or be calm.
진정해.
Calm your nerves.
Calm your nerves.
긴장을 푸세요.
Calm yourself.
Calm yourself.
진정하시오.
Calm? I wasn't calm.
Calm. I wasn't calm.
그렇긴 하지만 난 이제 괜찮아.
Cambodians love tarantula spiders.
Cambodians love tarantula spiders.
캄보디아인은 독거미를 좋아한다.
Cambodia's economy is growing rapidly.
Cambodia's economy is growing rapidly.
캄보디아의 경제는 빠르게 성장하고 있습니다.
Came again?
Came again.
뭐라고요?
Came back super quick?
Came back super quick.
빨리 왔죠?
Came close a couple times.
Came close a couple times.
몇 번 할 뻔했죠?
Came up to me and.
Came up to me and.
와가지고 저한테.
Camels love spring too.
Camels love spring too.
낙타도 봄을 좋아해요.
Cameras are forbidden.
Cameras are forbidden.
사진 촬영 금지.
Cameras capture special memories.
Cameras capture special memories.
카메라는 특별한 기억을 생생하게 포착하지.
Cameras make me nervous.
Cameras make me nervous.
카메라만 보면 긴장이 돼.
Cameras ready? Okay, shoot.
Cameras ready? Okay, shoot.
카메라 준비됐어요. 좋아요. 촬영 개시.
Camera shy.
Camera shy.
사진 찍기를 좋아하지 않는?
Camouflage butterflies have beautiful wings.
Camouflage butterflies have beautiful wings.
나비는 아름다운 날개를 가지고 있지요.
Campaigning is above me.
Campaigning is above me.
캠페인, 사회운동, 으라는 건 내 능력 밖이야.
Campers appreciate the outside lifestyle.
Campers appreciate the outside lifestyle.
캠핑하는 사람들은 야외 활동을 즐긴다.
Camping in the rain?
Camping in the rain?
빗속에서 캠핑을 한다고?
Camping lasted for 3 days.
Camping lasted for 3 days.
캠핑은 3일 동안 계속되었다.
Campus festivals were also exciting.
Campus festivals were also exciting.
학교 축제도 신났다.
Campus life.
Campus life.
학원 생활.
Can or could you excuse us?
Can or could you excuse us?
실례 좀 해도 될까요? 자리 좀 비켜주시겠어요?
Can a duck swim?
Can a duck swim?
당연하지.
Can a name change fate?
Can a name change fate?
이름이 운명을 바꿀 수 있는가?
Can an orangutan swim?
Can an orangutan swim?
오랑우탄이 수영을 할 수 있을까요?
Can animals fall in love?
Can animals fall in love?
동물들이 사랑에 빠질 수 있나?
Can anybody else help you?
Can anybody else help you?
다른 사람을 바꿔드릴까요?
Can anybody hear us?
Can anybody hear us?
누구 없어요?
Can anybody help me?
Can anybody help me?
아무나 저를 도울 수 없을까요?
Can anybody stop her?
Can anybody stop her?
이런 그녀를 막을 수 있는 사람이 과연 있을까?